A business wants to replace an investment that pays $2,000 at the end of every 6 months for 8 years. If money is worth 7% compounded semi-annually, what is the current value of this investment? So here we are today, and this investment carries on for 8 years. At the end of every 6 months, we pay $2,000, or it pays $2,000, and it carries on for all this 8 years. Now, what we'd like to do here is replace all of these payments by a single equivalent value in terms of dollars today. Now, the total number of payments, we're going for 8 years times 2 payments per year, so there's 16 total payments. Our rate of interest is 0.07 compounded semi-annually, so that's 0.035. We're doing this by calculator. Our N is going to be 16. Interest per year is 7. PV is unknown. Payments are going to be 2,000 or negative 2,000 if you prefer. Future value is 0. Paying 2 times a year. Compounding 2 times a year. And these payments are being made at the end of the payment period. We're looking for the present value. And that's the payment amount, 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative n divided by I. So that's $2,000, 1 minus 1 plus 0.035 to the power of minus 16 over 0.035. So the present value here is $24,188.23. And that's how much these payments are worth in terms of dollars today.